Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel One Two Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can save your MetaTrader 5 setup on your Android smartphone. To do so, first of all, do make sure your device has a stable Wi-Fi connection, and after making sure of that, just open up your MetaTrader 5 app. And now, as the app loads up, you need to go into your charts option. And after you're on your charts, click on the symbol which is on the left side of MN. And if you do so, it will take you to the screen where it says main chart, and if you click on the FN plus icon on the right hand side, it will take you to this indicator option where you can put any kind of indicator just like trend, oscillators, volumes and etc. And you can set them up however you like. Just click on any one of them, set up your parameters, your star, your levels, your time frames, and click on save. And after that, your setup will be saved on your MetaTrader 5. And now that's how you can save your setup on your MetaTrader 5. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.